Maybe you're wondering what foundation repair is. What does it actually mean? What does it do for your home? What exactly are they repairing? Are they going to repair the drywall cracks that you have? Are they going to repair the cracks in your slab? Like, what's going on? I mean, everybody doesn't just know this. So what you really want to know is, what is foundation repair and what does it do for your home? I'm Nika, the Foundation Repair Chica with Anchor Foundation Repair. I'm going to fill you in on the 3 goals that foundation repair has for a home. 3 top goals that foundation repair has for a home is to stabilize, raise, and correct signs and symptoms. But I'm going to go over those in a little more detail. First, with stabilization. Stabilization has 2 parts to it. The first one is that they're putting something under your home that's a physical stopgap that's going to hold the home at a certain position. But also, stabilization means that they're going to lower the base of your foundation into deeper soil, levels of soil that are less reactive to moisture, transferring all of the weight of your home down to a lower level where things experience less movement. And so it's therefore more stabilized. The next biggest goal that foundation repair has for a home is to raise it. Your home has settled, meaning that your home has sunken down from its original elevation. It needs to be raised back up. The second part of what foundation repair achieves for your home is to restore it to where it was when it was built. The last big goal that foundation repair has for a home is to correct signs and symptoms. This is probably the one that's most important to you as a homeowner. You've got cracks in your walls. You've got a door that maybe doesn't work right. You've got things that are misaligned in your home and they're causing either visual or functional issues. The act of raising the home back up, which was goal number 2, also corrects signs and symptoms by closing cracks, realigning trim, realigning cabinetry, or anything that's off kilter that is a result of the foundation settlement. It gets raised back up, and big benefit to that is that these signs and symptoms should close up and realign. Another thing to understand about foundation repair is that there are things that it's not. For example, foundation repair, while it is going to close up cracks in your drywall and things like that, is not intended to repair those cracks. That needs to be done by a drywall professional. The foundation repair, they're just going to focus on the foundation. That's their area of expertise. A drywall expert is going to be able to take the best course of action to repair a crack in your drywall, repaint it, do whatever you want to do to make it look nice again. That's one thing that foundation repair is not. Foundation repair is not going to repair the finishes in your home. It may realign them, but if further detail work is needed, other professionals need to be called in for that. Another thing that foundation repair does not do is it's not going to remove cracks. Even when cracks come back together and are realigned, the crack is still there. The only way to get rid of a foundation crack is to tear down your whole foundation and pour a new one. So foundation repair doesn't mend those. There are some foundation repair companies that might choose to put some type of sealant or epoxy over cracks and things like that, but not every foundation repair company does that. If you're hoping for some type of sealing or anything like that, you have to make sure that the foundation repair company you're using does those things. There are also reasons why those things aren't necessarily the best choices. You're probably wondering what's next. This video is just kind of a short overview of what foundation repair is and what foundation repair is not. I have an article that's on our website that I'm going to put a link down in the description that really just goes over in more detail the top 3 goals that foundation repair has for a home and helps you understand what the point of getting this type of repair work done is. So happy reading. P.S. I also kind of want to point out that not every foundation repair includes all three of the things that I talked about in this video. There's also a type of foundation repair that's called stabilization. And stabilization is where we lower the base of the foundation, put that physical barrier in there, but we're not raising the home. So maybe some of those signs and symptoms are not getting corrected. But some people do choose this option. And I can go ahead and put a link to an article about stabilization and its pros and cons in the description as well.